You are going to create a personal website that's called a digital portfolio that we are going to use as a place to store and organize your focused notes that we create throughout the year, as well as different projects that you will be working on. It's a place where you can store information and save books that you've been reading or stories that we've read in class. And you can use it to also kind of express yourself in your own way. It's definitely something that will grow and change throughout the year. We will use it the whole year, not just for this class period, but we'll keep building on it throughout the year as well. It's kind of up to you how far you want to take it and how creative you want to get with it. But there are going to be some things that are mandatory to include on this page. So to start with, I'm going to show you an overview of what it will look like when you are finished. And then I will step by step guide you with how to make your own. So in the end, when you're done, you will start with, or you'll end up with a Google site that is just for you. You get to add to it, arrange it any way you want. Your home page is going to look like, well, something like this, but you'll add your own information. You'll start with an About You page, something all about yourself. I've included a picture and information about my family. I wrote a little bit about music because that's a big part of my life. And you can include anything you want on this page that's about me. You will also have a page that shows different notes that we have taken, and you'll continue to add to it as we take more notes throughout the year. You can see I've attached a picture plus an explanation that goes with the notes. And then in this one, it's actually a document that I've attached and also an explanation. Every time you post something, you need to make sure that you include an explanation that goes with it. Don't just put a picture or a document and then leave it there. It needs an explanation. And then we'll have a page that says projects. This is where you'll post things that you have created. For example, we've done Who Am I? We've done a vignette of your own. And as we go throughout the year, when you create a project, you can add it here to help store and organize it. We also have one called Book Bits. You can title it something different if you want, but basically this is a place to write about stories that you've read, books that you've read, give a short summary of it, and you'll be able to look back at the different things that you have read throughout the year, either for school or for fun. Then you've got one that says hobbies, and this is just for you to add your own information, things you enjoy doing outside of school. And you can, as new things come up, you can add to it. So when it's done, you'll have each of these pages, and it's something that we will continue to add things to it throughout the year. It will grow and change. You get to design yours to look however you want, and so it's not going to look exactly like mine. You can be as creative with it as you want. In the next couple video sections, I will show you how it works and how to build your own website. Again, it's called a digital portfolio as a way to store your work.